Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for our school theme song.
A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one star for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Find upstanders who set examples, help make our future bright. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school. One's off for school, the greatest school.
Woohoo! Let's take a look at today's plan. So you are doing I Ready. Today you are focusing on understanding comparing fractions, and you're playing Pearl Diver, which I hope you like that game. I think it's super fun. And then in language arts, you're watching my video here. You can take a look at the anchor chart that I'm referring to here, the lingo anchor chart. And then yesterday you were able to identify some vocabulary words about your animal, and today you're defining them, which means you're finding the definition of them. Just a quick note about some of the words you chose yesterday. You're not using those words to describe your animal. You're using those boxes to kind of help you figure out language that's important to your animal. So for example, if you were doing a penguin, you should have had blubber, flipper, the Arctic, things that are need to be defined in reference to your animal. For a tiger, you might have claw, cub, endangered. You're not using those boxes to describe them. So there's some notes there, so make sure that you are checking those out and making any revisions as needed. And you can listen to chapters 1 and 2 of Charlotte's Web. You always have your May-Dos, and your virtual field trip is all about small animals today, so that's an exciting one. Remember to do your book scavenger hunt if you haven't done so already. You're finding all of these objects in a book and sharing your findings here on Flipgrid. And remember that our Helping Heroes of the Week are delivery workers. I hung my sign in my window, and when I saw a delivery man come to the door, I saw a big smile on his face, which made me feel good. And I'm sure it made him feel good as well that someone was appreciating him going out and working while we're all staying home. So if you have a photo of you doing that, make sure to send it to me, and I'm happy to tweet it for you. Okay, I hope everyone has a good day. Bye!